what? Take 7 on this side. 16 minus 7 is 9. So what is the number then? Number is 19683, right? Now what have we to found? We have to find then the sum of the number and its cube root is. So number you have got. Now we want the cube root. Cube root, how to find it? There cannot, don't use that division method. That is for square root. Use factorization. So 3 into 6561. Then 3 into 3 into 2187. 3 into 3 into 3 into 729. Now this cube you must know. In fact, this is a square. So 3 by 3 by 3 into 27 into 27. But 27 itself is a cube. Okay. So cube root is what? This group of 3, 1. So 1, 3 comes from here. Of this 27, 1, 3 comes from here. Of this 27, 1, 3 comes from here. Right? So cube root is 3 by 3 by 3. That is 27. So we want the sum of this number and 27. So 19683 plus 27. It comes to 19710. Got it? So here practice is important in this problem. You try it yourself. Then only you will have the mastery over it. So download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for that. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis for 3 months and you learn those tables, squares and cubes within 3 months. Mind well, it is useful for you throughout your life for any competitive exam. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.